Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to revise what we have already done in class 1. So, the topic for today is geometric shapes and solids. First, we will revise 4 basic plane shapes which we have already learnt in class 1. So, the 4 basic shapes are square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So our first plane shape is a square. A square has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It also have 4 corners which are 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can find the shape of square in many things around you, like a carom board, a window, a slice of bread, a clock, etc. Now, our next plane shape is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It also have 4 corners which are 1, 2, 3 and 4. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. You can find the shape of a rectangle in many things around you, like a blackboard, a door, a photo frame, etc. Now the next shape is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. A triangle have 3 corners which are 1, 2 and 3. We can find the shapes of a triangle in many things around us, like a slice of pizza, a hanger, a signboard, etc. Now the next plane shape is a circle. A circle has 1 curved side and no corners. We can find the shape of circles in many things around us, like a clock, a plate, a wheel, a coin, etc. Now let us revise the solid shapes. Now what is a solid shape? Solid shapes are not flat as plane shapes. Solid shapes are blown up shapes and they have thickness. Now here are some solid shapes. Cube, a cuboid, a cylinder, a sphere and a cone. This shape is a cube. A cube has 6 faces that are all squares. As cube has all sides square, which is a plane surface, it can only slide. Here you can see a dice in the shape of a cube. Then we can find an ice cube which has 6 faces that are all squares. And we have got a Rubik cube and it also have a same cube shape. Now this is a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces that are all rectangles. As cuboid has all sides rectangles, which is a plane surface, it can only slide. Here we have a matchbox with 6 faces. They are all rectangles. We also have a brick in the shape of a cuboid, and a book is also a good example of a cuboid. So children, this is a cylinder. A cylinder has a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and has a curved face which is smooth all around. As the cylinder has a circle at the top and bottom, it can slide using those faces, and it also have a curved face which is smooth all around. Using the curved face, it can roll also. Therefore, a cylinder can roll as well as slide. For example, a battery. Here you can see it has a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and is smooth all around. In the same way, we can take a glass, a candle, and a can as an example for a cylinder's shape. This is a sphere. A sphere is perfectly round shape as it has no sides and no corners. It has one curved face that makes it roll around, and the sphere cannot slide. There are spheres all around us. For example, a ball is in the shape of a sphere. Our planet Earth, where we live, is also the shape of a sphere. And an orange fruit that we eat is also a good example of a sphere. So children, our next shape is a cone. This is a cone. A cone has a circle at the bottom and a curved surface which is smooth all around, and it goes up to one point called the vertex. Using the curved surface, it can roll, and using the bottom circle, it can slide. Therefore, a cone can roll as well as slide. Now children, here are a few examples of a cone. A party cap. It has a circle in the bottom, and it all comes to a point called the vertex. A carrot, which is a vegetable that we eat, is also shaped as a cone. A traffic cone is also a good example of a cone, and the best example is an ice cream cone, which we all love to eat. Now let's do some self-practice. So children, open page number 79 of your book. Let's read question number 1. Color the circles yellow, rectangles blue, squares red, and triangles green. So children, here is a picture and you have to color all the circles yellow, rectangles blue, squares red, and triangles green. Now you can pause the video and color the picture, and then we will answer the following questions. Okay, I hope now all of you have colored the picture. Now let us answer the following questions. Question A. How many circles? So, how many circles have you colored yellow? Count and tell. Yes, there are 5 circles. Now, look at question number B. How many squares? So now tell me, how many squares have you colored red? Yes, we haven't colored any squares red, so there is no square, so we will write a 0. Now look at the C part. How many rectangles? Now count how many rectangles you have colored blue. Yes, there are 11 rectangles. D part. How many triangles? So how many triangles have you colored in green? Very good. There are 2 triangles. Now let us read question number 2. Write the names of the solid shapes that these objects resemble. Let's do the A part. Look at the object. What is it? Yes, it's an eraser. So now, which solid shape does this eraser resemble? Very good. It resembles like a cuboid because its all flat surfaces are rectangular. Now look at the object in the part B. Name the object. Yes, it is a torch. Which shape does a torch resemble here? Very good. It resembles a cylinder because it has a circle at the top and bottom and has a curved surface that is smooth all around. So children, let's do question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A part. Dash can only slide. Sphere or a cuboid. So children, which one of the two can only slide, a sphere or a cuboid? Remember that a sphere can only roll as it has one curved surface that makes it roll all around, and a cuboid has all sides rectangle, so it can only slide. So which is the correct answer? Yes, a cuboid can only slide. So cuboid is the correct answer. Now we will do the B part. Dash can only roll, sphere or a cone. So children, which one of the two can only roll, a sphere or a cone? Remember that a sphere can only roll as it has one curved surface that makes it roll all around, while a cone can roll as well as slide. Using the curved surface, the cone can be rolled, and using its bottom circular surface, it can slide. So, which is the correct answer? Yes, sphere is the correct answer. A sphere can only roll. Now we will do the C part. Dash can slide as well as roll, a cone or a cuboid. So children, which one of the two can slide as well as roll, a cone or a cuboid? Children, remember that a cone can roll as well as slide, as using the curved surface the cone can be rolled, and using its bottom circular surface the cone can slide. Now a cuboid has all sides rectangular, so it can only slide. So which is the correct answer? Yes, a cone can slide as well as roll. Now we will do the D part. Dash is being done in the picture, sliding or rolling. So children, look at the picture here. What is the girl doing? Yes, sliding. So the correct answer is sliding. We all have gone to slides and have enjoyed sliding, isn't it? So that's all for today. Now children, I'm waiting for you to complete your classwork. Thank you class. God bless you all.